Hi friends, now explore Deomali. Deomali is the beauty of Eastern Ghats. Is a mountain peak in the Chandragiri-Pottangi sub-range of the Eastern Ghats. It is located near Koraput town in the Koraput district of Orissa, India. Must watch this place.
The highest mountain peak of Odisha, Deomali 1762 Mount High, nestling in the lap of the Eastern Ghats, is an idyllic for aerogliding and trekking expeditions. It is 60 kilometers away from Koraput by road.
Top 5 places to visit near Deomali within 50 kilometers. Deomali Hills distance from major cities: Bhubaneswar 464 kilometers, Vishakhapatnam 164 kilometers, Berhampur 297 kilometers, Jagdalpur 161 kilometers, Koraput 60 kilometers, Jaipur 84 kilometers. Deomali Hill, a heavenly place in Orissa. Deomali is one of the most popular mountain peaks of the Eastern Ghats. Deomali Hill Station is just 62 km away from Koraput, surrounded by lush greenery, flora and fauna at an elevation of 1,672 meters above the sea level, and stands as the highest peak of Orissa. It is also well known as the hidden gem of Orissa for its rich biodiversity, scenic views, landscape and cultural richness. The hilly peak leaves an everlasting impression on the minds of visitors for the beauty, calmness and vibes. Orissa. The Deomali Hills are nested near Barabandha village, and a place surrounded by various tribes like Kandhas, Parahas, Bhumia, Malis and Bhotiyas. This stunning mountain range is spread with brooks and profound valleys. Apart from just scenic views, it's the best spot for adventure sports lovers as well: hang gliding, mountaineering and trekking. Another popular attraction, Patsal Valley, is nearby and is also part of the Deomali mountain range. How to reach Deomali by air? Travelers can reach Deomali from Vizag or Bhubaneswar. Traveling from Bhubaneswar, flights depart airport to Jaipur, and from there you can opt for any public transportation to reach Deomali, which is just 84 kilometers away. By train, the closest railway track to Deomali is Koraput railway station, 164 kilometers away from Vizag, or take a train from Bhubaneswar to Koraput, 657 kilometers away. From the station, opt for any public transportation to reach Deomali, which is around 60 kilometers from Koraput. By bus, take a bus from Vishakhapatnam or Bhubaneswar to reach Koraput town. The hill station is just 60 kilometers away from the town and is well connected by road. There are regular bus services available from various cities and nearby towns. Things to do in Deomali: being at hill station is the best place to enjoy the spectacular sunrise and sunsets. So, plan your day as early as possible. Camping. Deomali Hill is a popular place where you can experience camping with friends and family on the highest point of the peak. Scenic treks. Best way to enjoy the beauty of the hill peaks is via treks or hikes. Explore the stunning views of lush forest and huge valleys through the trails by walking. Adventure activities. Apart from just simply exploring the region, taking part in various thrilling activities like rock climbing, mountain biking, trekking, boat riding and more. Cultural immersion. Learn about local culture, and it's a place which is surrounded by various tribes and various religious sanctuaries. Tribal villages. Visit the local villages, and it is a great opportunity to experience the local traditions, cultures, foods and the way of life they lead. Conclusion. Deomali Hill Station stands as testimony to the distinct and fascinating landscapes. This area is the best spot for nature enthusiasts, adventure explorers and for tourists looking for a peaceful retreat. Apart from just being a natural splendor, the region also has a high cultural significance and is home to various tribal communities. It is indeed one of the best ecotourism destinations in Koraput district, surrounded by multiple waterfalls, which is an added charm to nature. Travelers can get to know the importance of traditions they follow and can enjoy the local festivals, and the unique cultural experience lets you know why the Deomali is called the hidden gem of Orissa. Best time to visit Deomali. Being a hill station, one can visit the place throughout the year and can enjoy adequate weather. It's one of those places where nature keeps on changing its essence and colors as per the season and looks eye-appealing. But the ideal time to visit is from October to June when the weather is most welcoming, and during the winter season, the hill station is filled with lush greenery during the monsoon.
ద బ్యూటీ ఆఫ్ ఈస్టర్న్ ఘాట్ ఒడిస్సాలోనే అత్యంత ఫేమస్ అయిన మీరు చూస్తున్నారు డియోమలి. డియోమలిలో సన్ రైజ్ పాయింట్ చూసారు కదా, అక్కడ ఇప్పుడే సన్ రైజ్ అయింది. చూసారు కదా ఎంత బాగుందో సన్ రైజ్. ఇదే మెయిన్ వ్యూ పాయింట్ అండి. చూసా ఇక్కడైతే చాలా మంది టెంట్ క్యాంప్స్ అన్ని వేసుకుని చాలా మంది ఎక్కువ మంది ఉన్నారు. చాలా మంది ఫోటోలు కూడా తీసుకుంటున్నారు. చూసారు కదా, మీకు చూసారు ఇప్పుడే జస్ట్ అలా మబ్బుల్లోంచి కొండలు బయటపడుతున్నాయి సన్ రైజ్ అయ్యేటప్పటికి. చాలా చాలా బాగుంది. ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ తప్పనిసరిగా రావాలి ఈ వ్యూ పాయింట్ కి. చాలా చాలా బాగుంది. ఇలాంటి ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ మనం ఎక్కడ ఎన్ని డబ్బులు పెట్టినా కొనలేమని అనుకుంటున్నాను. దిస్ ఈజ్ కేఎస్ఎం కృష్ణ.